and welcome to the Mac Observer's YouTube channel. It's Charlotte Henry here. Now, regular readers of the Mac Observer and listeners to our Daily Observations podcast will know I'm not a huge fan of Apple's AirPods. So the people at Tivoli sent me over some of these. These are their Go Fonico wireless earbuds. So here we go. Here are the Tivoli Go Fonico headphones. Here's the box. Open them up now and let's see what we got inside. There we go. We have at the top the charging case and the earbuds. There's the charging case. It comes with a little bit of power in it as well, which is good. And there are the earbuds themselves. And inside there are extra bands and earpieces and that kind of thing. I was a bit disappointed there wasn't a wall charger, but apart from that, it's pretty well equipped in there. And to charge up the earbuds, you just plug them in the charging case and press go. I personally really like the design. I particularly like using them in the gym. I've never really used wireless earbuds before. I've actually tended to have over-the-ear headphones. And so I really enjoyed the kind of freedom that the Bluetooth headphones in general give you, and also these particular earbuds are really comfortable, they're sweat resistant, and they work really nicely whilst doing exercise. Tivoli Go Fonico have really nice control capabilities as well. So you tap, for example, your right ear and that turns the audio up, tap your left ear and it turns it down. You can also control Siri with that, pause and restart whatever audio you're listening to. So that's all very good. Sound wise, they're pretty decent. They're not going to probably compete with the top end in terms of audio, but they sound good. You can listen to music very comfortably. Audio quality when you're listening to podcasts and other spoken word content is decent too. The big issue in terms of audio quality I found is when speaking on the phone. You can hear people really well, but the person you're speaking to, I've had people complain to me that it doesn't sound very good at all. The biggest issue is I noticed a lot of glitchiness with Bluetooth. I had some very frustrating situations where they just wouldn't connect to my iPhone or that kind of thing. And you do have to be careful to maintain the battery life, which is not great. But they, got the charging case. They charge relatively quickly, so it's not such a problem. But you have to watch out for it. Overall, they're competitively priced. They sound decent. Really, really great design. So they are a worthy competitor to the AirPods, I think. Thank you very much for watching. Check out all our podcasts. Check us out at macobserver.com. Drop us a line at observations@macobserver.com. And do subscribe to this YouTube channel.